Hey, let me show you something that's really exciting because this has huge application in real estate, also automotive, and any other niche you might be able to think of, but let's use real estate as an example. So imagine you or a prospect is driving by this house. They see this house, it's in the neighborhood they like, and it's for sale, so they want to find out more. There's a sign in the yard. However, there's no brochure, there's no way to see inside, and so they'd really like to see, get an idea what this house looks like on the inside because they're liking all the exterior things. So then they notice that there's a sign, uh, as you would have with a lot of real estate um, signs, where it says call this number or whatever to get a hold of the agent. But in this case, it's telling us that we can receive images on our phone by calling this number, or I can text this number. I text the word easy, or this could be any keyword that you want. And what happens here is, so they call or text the number, and let me just show you what they get in return. All right, so here's my phone. You can see that I texted the word easy into the phone number provided, and then this is the images and information I got back. So the first image is a logo for the agent or the team. This is just a mock-up, but also there's text here in the message. This is all included in one message. I have the address or whatever information the agent wants to provide, so I can actually click on, for example, if I want to just call the agent, I can touch on that link and it'll bring up a button so I can call them, or I can text them, or I can email, all that sort of thing. And then here are all the images. This is the house I'm looking at. This is the inside of the house. So you can include up to 10 images, totaling up to 5 megabytes of data. But if I bring this up here, I can zoom in and check out the details of the house, go through the image gallery of all the images, and then of course call the agent, or maybe I don't like the inside of the house and I want to move on, or maybe I want to call the agent and see what else they might have. So this is very powerful because not only did the customer get the information they wanted, and they see that this agent is up to date on their technology, this also provides a lead for the listing agent, so they can choose to follow up with these people that are looking and interested in buying a home. So let's see what this looks like on the inside of how we make this all happen. Okay, so here we are inside of MMS Marketer, which is a WordPress plugin. This makes it very easy to get this up and running. So the way this works is you can create multiple campaigns. Here is the campaign I set up as this for this demonstration. So I've gotten 5 leads or calls in. That's me just playing around. Here's the phone number that's assigned to this campaign. But let's drill down into here and see how this works. These are all of our settings, the name of the campaign, the phone number we're using for this particular campaign. Here's the text message reply. Everything's documented here so you know exactly what each field is for. So I can have multiple keywords here if I like, and then I can save those changes. So under the voice settings, this is where if the person chooses to call the number, they will hear this text-to-speech greeting, and this explains that if someone's calling in, you want them to press 1 to confirm that they want to receive the images on their phone, or they can press 0 to be transferred to the phone number at any time. So you have plenty of space in here to describe the house. Again, you can just type this out and the text-to-speech will speak it over the phone. You can choose the type of voice you want to use, an accent. Also, if you don't want to use the text-to-speech engine, you can record an MP3 audio and just upload that file, and then that way you could have you could say whatever you want, and it'll be probably a little easier to hear and understand than the text-to-speech, and it'll sound more natural. But if you're in a hurry, you can definitely use the text-to-speech. The transfer number, when they press 0, they will be routed to this number. So this would typically be the number of the agent or maybe their office so they can schedule an appointment or whatever. You do not have to use this. You can remove it and that function will not, so that if they press 0 it won't actually transfer them anywhere. The images, now this is where you can add your images. All you have to do is click inside here or drag and drop images right here, and now you can just choose the images you want. You can change the order, all that sort of thing. Notifications, this is where we can turn email and phone notifications on and off. So if you want to receive an email notification every time there is a call into or a text into the phone number, you will get those at all the email addresses provided, one per line. You can turn that on or off. Same thing for SMS. You can enter phone numbers here for the agent, say, to receive a text message anytime a lead comes in. So that's it. It only takes a few minutes to set that up, assuming you have your images ready to go. Here is, along with getting the email and text notifications, you can see all your leads here on this page. So we see that I've called in here, and then also anyone else. You're going to have a list of all your leads will be documented here. The phone number, this is actually the campaign name that was called in on, and then the date and time. And then finally, your account information is stored here. So when you need to add funds, you can set up an automatic rebill so that you don't lose so that things continue to work without you having to really think about it. You can view your phone numbers that you have in your account. You can buy additional phone numbers so you can search on different area codes. Now I recommend you'll find that you can get toll-free numbers, but this system for MMS, as it says here on the page, only operates in the United States and Canada. So keep that in mind. It does not work on any toll-free numbers. So, and then yeah, you set up your account. If you don't have an account, you can create one and then log in with that information. So that's all there is to it. Check it out now, and thanks for listening.